Hello, today we are going to learn how to do snack bars in Flutter project. Actually, we are going to learn 5 things in snack bar. First one is basic snack bar, and then behavior of the snack bar, and then how to give the color for the snack bar, and then how to add action in a snack bar, and then how to control the duration of the snack bar. Okay, let's go. So I have created a Snackbar demo project here, and this is the basic Flutter project. I'll remove this my homepage class. I'll create a new stateful widget and name it as my homepage. I'll remove this title, we don't need it. Okay, so instead of container, I'll create a scaffold and with the app bar and the title. Snackbar demo. Okay, it's clear. Okay, in the body, I create a builder widget which will have a builder property. Inside this builder, I'll create a center widget. In child, we will create a raised button, and child property will be just a text. Click me, and then we need to give the on pressed property as well for a raised button. Why we are having written type of widget? Okay, yeah. For every builder, we need to return some widget, so we just need to give the return word here. Okay, yeah. So we can see the click me button here. Okay. So first thing is basic snack bar. Okay. Whenever I click the click me button, the snack bar should show up. Okay, what is the code for that? uh, Scaffold dot of, we need to pass the context here, dot show snack bar, and here snack bar widget, and the content is text. Hi there, I am the snack bar. There you go. That's it. We have created a snack bar. Okay, if I click this click me button, yeah, the snack bar has showed up. Okay, so we have completed the basic snack bar, and next thing is behavior of the snack bar. Okay, yeah, so inside this snack bar widget, behavior property is there. The snack bar can be a fixed or floating. By default it will be a fixed behavior snack bar, so which is nothing but the previously we have seen this fixed snack bar. If we change it to a floating, then let's see, yeah, so you can see a simple rectangular box of snack bar here. So this is floating snack bar. Okay, then we have covered the behavior of the snack bar, and next thing is color. Background color, you can give any color you want. Colors dot amber, I'll give the amber color now. If I click the click me button, you can see the snack bar color has been changed to amber. If I give green, and it is been green, it is very good. Actually, we can use this kind of green color snack bars when we are doing some uh, valid actions, like when we are adding a new product in the product list. Likewise, and we can use red color for deleting something. Okay, so this is background property of Snackbar. Next thing is action. Okay, yeah, so action, it is actually again a widget which is called Snackbar action, which will have a label. Okay, and then on pressed property, on pressing the action, what we need to do. Oh sorry, actually this label is a string. Okay, on pressed, I'll just print snack bar, sorry, snack bar action triggered. Okay, I'll go to the debug console here. If I click the do it, here you can see the snack bar action triggered message which is printed in the debug console. Now whenever we click on the do it button, the snack bar action triggered message has been printed in the debug console. So this is the action thing. Okay, inside the action, actually you can see the color of the label is in blue color, which is a default color. You can actually change it with the text color property here. So colors dot, I'll use green color. See, the text color has been changed to green. You can change it to white. Yeah, now it is way more visible. Whenever I click on the do it action, this print statement has been logged here in the debug console. Okay, the last thing, duration. Inside the snack bar, you can set the duration of the snack bar, which is duration, and you can give milliseconds. Okay, let me give 500 milliseconds of the duration. There you go. It's just 500 milliseconds. If I change it to 5000, which is 5 seconds, when I click the click me button, it will show up for 5 seconds and then it will dismiss. So that's how you can control the duration of the snack bar. Okay, I hope you have learned all these things in snack bar: basic snack bar, behavior, color, action, and duration. Yeah, that's it. This is Snack Bar in Flutter project. Thank you.